If you are looking for digital signage for your organization, there are many choices out there. The HP Poly Studio G62 is an ideal solution for your digital signage needs. With its small footprint and innovative magnetic mounting system, the Studio G62 will easily fit behind most monitors. The Studio G62 also accepts PoE+ power and network connectivity over one cable, making installations quicker and less cumbersome. Easily connect to your digital signage provider through a web link connection, or register the G62 with Zoom or AppSpace directly. Unlike traditional digital signage players that only serve out content, the Studio G62 will allow any monitor to become a collaboration platform, allowing users to share content directly from their devices using Miracast or AirPlay. And with addition of supported USB and IP-based cameras, users will be able to engage in video conferencing. Management of your G62 digital signage players is hassle-free with HP PolyLens management. See all of your Studio G62s at a glance to ensure optimal uptime. Your employees and visitors will now have access to important information in key areas of your campus or office. To learn more about the Poly Studio G62 and other collaborative solutions, please visit hp.com.